Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Leo Cedarville, local and long distance movers near me. Many preparations must be made before a long distance move to avoid delays or complications. To do this, we've assembled a team of well coordinated and well trained movers. Every item in your home gets the utmost care and attention from our expert movers. For instance, we give special attention to protecting your clothing, furniture, equipment, and other heavy household items from being damaged. Moreover, we are very well coordinated. We won't muddle or misplace your valuables during the process. Everything is accounted for and structured just how you'd expect it to be. Moving to a new house might take a long time, but our speedy service makes the process go by much faster. If you're migrating within a short distance of Leo Cedarville, usually less than 50 miles, we'd be happy to help. At 3 Movers, we have a team of highly skilled movers and drivers supported by cutting-edge technology and a fleet of well-maintained vehicles. We can operate more effectively with our clients because of our open communication approach. In addition, our hourly fees range from $30 to $40, and our customers appreciate the reasonable cost and high-quality service we provide. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Leo Cedarville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.